Welcome back, guys. This video is going to be, I'd like to get some opinions on whether or not to put rock guards on this. Now, I've had ZL1 add-ons, rock guards on plenty of different vehicles. They look great. They work out great. The deluxe ones are a little thicker. If I did go with some, I would do an install video, in which I'm thinking I really need to. I just don't know exactly what it would look like with the rock guards on there. I don't know, it's kind of like the Dodges and the Mustangs. The fenders and tires stick out a little bit. But the reason I'm thinking about it is that first, driving down the road, I can hear these tires, and when I buy new tires, it'll be sticky tires just as well as the stock ones, are picking up everything and slinging it. And even with the fabric wheel liners that this car has, I can still hear it. We'll go ahead and try to get some footage of that and insert it into the videos so you guys can hear it. Oh, that's a good one. Another reason is that I started noticing that back here on this panel, right in front of the rear tire, I'm starting to get a lot of, I call them asteroid pops, but it's where dirt will hit and just puff. And it looks almost like an asteroid hit the side of the car. And it's dirt and pieces of debris that's hitting the side of the car that's being slung up, I believe, from the front tire here, that sticks out. See, you can see right here, the front and rear tire sticks out past. And then on the back portion, right in this area right here, I'm noticing that I'm starting to get a lot of debris kick up there. And it's from not having rock guards on the car. Now, I just spent a lot of time and, a considerable amount of money, a few $100s, to coat this car. I had to buy, microfiber cutting pads and then a finishing pad. And I used McGuire's M100 and M205 and my dual action polisher. And I had to cut and buff this entire car. There were little scratches and stuff everywhere, I guess from automatic car washes. And it was really ate up. And then I coated it with C-Quartz UK 3.0. And I have discount codes for CarPro US. That'll be down below in the description. So you can use those discount codes at CarPro, get you 10% off of your entire purchase. But that's what I use to coat the car. And coating your car is not as hard as what you would think it is. It does take time. There is some finesse. You do have to kind of know what you're doing, but it's not impossible for a novice to do. So I spent all this money and time to perfect the paint, coat it. I'm thinking I need to protect the paint with some rock guards, but I just wanted to get some opinions of some of my followers and some other people out here on the interwebs of, do you think that this car would still look good with the rock guards on it from ZL1 add-ons? So any opinions is greatly appreciated. As always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every follower. Like the videos, share my videos. There's more stuff to come. Thanks, guys.